Hey Unbox fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie. I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. And I know we've already done two videos on this device already, but in this one, we wanted to give you guys our thoughts on its pros and cons to help you guys decide if it's worth considering for your next purchase. Before we begin, just another quick reminder guys, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We are creeping into 100,000 subscribers, and as a way to say thank you, there is another giveaway in this video, and this time we're giving away two Marvel themed wireless mice from Logitech. So if you want a chance to win one of these two mice, stay tuned to the very end of the video. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the pros and cons for the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, kicking things off with the pros. And number one, it's the most affordable smartphone that you can buy right now with a pop-up camera. So at 12,990 pesos, the Y9 Prime 2019 still holds the title for most affordable smartphone with a pop-up camera. Now, I know during Lazada's mid-year sale, you could have gotten the Xiaomi Mi 9T at the same price, but remember, the regular sticker price for that phone is actually 15,990 pesos. And now, even though you aren't into this whole pop-up trend, because of it, you have an almost all-screen display on this device. It measures in at 6.59 inches at Full HD Plus resolution, and you're getting an LTPS IPS display. It definitely gets a job done for day-to-day use and even for gaming as well. There is still a bit of a chin on it, but it's nothing too bad. Now, second on the pros list for the Y9 Prime 2019 is its design. Huawei was known for starting the wave of devices with gradient designs, but it was really refreshing to see them take a step back from it with this phone. You have that two-tone look that's subtle but still gives a chic and elegant look to it. Yes, the device is primarily made out of polycarbonate plastic, but it's really hard to tell without closer inspection. Number three, fittingly, is its triple camera setup. The triple camera setup on the back of the Y9 Prime gets a plus in our books because any way to give you versatility and a different perspective with your shots deserves some praise, especially on a mobile phone. Again, you have a 16 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. I initially wished that it had a telephoto camera instead, but quickly realized that I hardly use the zoom functions on my daily drivers, and it was a feature I didn't miss. Number four, and very last on our pros for the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, is its long battery life. If there's one thing I absolutely love about Huawei's phones is that they have a lot of lasting power. Now, we don't have our usual numbers from our battery benchmarks, but we checked the battery stats on the phone and we got 13 hours and 50 minutes from 100 to 21%. As for actually using the phone as my primary device, it lasted nearly 2 days with a mix of being tethered to a Wi-Fi connection and just pure mobile data. So it's definitely not bad at all. The lasting power on this phone is just fantastic. Alright, with the pros out of the way, let's get to the cons, and it really isn't sunshine and daisies for the Huawei Y9 Prime because first on the list is the rather dated SoC, the Kirin 710 processor. Now, don't get me wrong here, the Kirin 710 still has a lot of zip and can handle multitasking and gaming as well. You can easily check out our gaming review for this device to see how it handles some of our favorite titles on the Google Play Store. Spoiler alert, it still handles them pretty darn good, but the problem here is that we've seen them use this chipset for quite some time now, and you have consumers who have been wanting an upgrade. Add to the fact they also have the Kirin 810, their newest mid-range SoC, in the books already, with devices lined up to receive it within the year. Now, we only actually have two cons on our list for the Y9 Prime 2019, but they're pretty huge because number two is the overall picture quality from its shooters. Sadly, photos from the triple rear camera and the selfie shooter were a bit of a hit and miss for us. Yes, we love the fact that you can have more options to take photos, but the results were a little disappointing at times. The separation from the portrait mode can be off, the details from the selfie camera weren't crisp, and the low light photos left us wanting big time. Now, you do have night mode to take better photos at night, but there's still a fair bit of noise to them. Huawei has made quite a reputation for being one of the standards in mobile photography, and it's a bit of a bummer that their latest mid-range phone doesn't quite reflect that. We're hoping that it's something they can fix with future software updates to this phone. So there you have it, guys, our pros and cons for the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Is it worth considering? Let us know in the comment section down below. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this video, but here's how you stand a chance to win one of those two wireless mice that's Marvel themed from Logitech. First of all, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Instagram at unbox.ph. And lastly, leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle. That's it, plain and simple, guys. So that's pretty much it for me. Follow those steps. Again, sub to the channel, hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them down below as well, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph. Plus, follow us on Instagram. Again, these are steps that you need to do to win the giveaway anyway, so you might as well do them. So that's it for me. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.